Why choose water-based coatings? They simplify application and ensure safer working conditions. With a focus on sustainability and compliance with regulations, our coatings are low in HAPs and VOCs, offering peace of mind for both applicators and the environment.
Series 1061 is a silicone grafted composite, and it's unique in that it does not use an isocyanate. A lot of high performance top coats used right now do use an isocyanate, such as your polyurethanes, and you can have problems with those in the field if there's humidity outside. And it's also kind of a safety hazard because the isocyanate can cause sensitization. The 1061 does not have an isocyanate, so it's a little bit safer for our customers to use.
Despite using the best raw materials, water-based high-performance coatings present unique challenges. At Tnemec, we are deeply committed to perfecting coating formulations.
The challenges with water-based products versus solvent-based products is that you're dealing with water. You're putting a water-based product on steel, so you're gonna have to worry about flash rust. You're gonna have to worry about early water resistance, early rain resistance. You have to worry about what kind of additives you use and what level you're using those additives. Water-based can be very sensitive about that. Some challenges that I face with water-based products is a lot of hot box stability or oven stability issues. I've had a lot of things gel on me. I've had probably 90% of stuff gelled on me. And Tnemec is, I would say, more focused on the performance and not the price of products. So we really do value the performance of how those products perform, and we want to spend the time to get to that point that they do perform well and the customer is happy.
Say goodbye to old house paint systems. Tnemec's water-based systems offers corrosion protection with brilliant color and gloss, matching the performance of traditional solvent-based systems.
1061 is a silicone grafted composite that was designed to be a high-performance top coat. So that means it's going to have long-term gloss and color retention. It's going to help protect your asset for a long period of time without having to recoat every 5 years. So we think it'll have almost the same longevity as our fluoropolymer line.
Experience the difference with Tnemec's water-based coatings and discover why they're trusted by professionals worldwide. Testing matters, formulation matters, because in the end, performance matters.